You know, guys, let me explain something to you about not only the Constitution, but our whole legal system in general, and when it was designed, how it was designed, and why it was designed the way it was originally. The reason we have the right to a jury, but in family court, illegally, they break that constitutional right, and you don't have the right to a jury, and on and on and on. Like what I'm doing, I've just signed a sworn complaint, a criminal complaint, making criminal allegations against judges, DCF officers, child protection team officers, lawyers, you name it. And this is my biggest defense. I've put it in all my court motions. Every time I tell the judge she's lying and call her a liar to her face in the courtroom, I say, Your Honor, I'm under oath. You're not. I can go to prison. It's a felony if I commit perjury and lie while I'm under oath. Well, the same goes for the criminal complaints. I encourage the police department even. Criminally indict me for perjury, third-degree felony. I'll be happy to get my criminal lawyer to go in front of a jury and get a not guilty again. Won't be the first time I do it. Which I'm going to sue the sheriff's office for false arrest and false imprisonment more than likely because they keep doing the misconduct. I don't want to do it, but they keep pushing me and pushing me and pushing me. I want justice for my kids, and they keep colluding and covering up for all these officials, including judges, and I've had it. It's going to be Sewanee versus Osceola County, Sewanee versus State of Florida coming soon in a federal lawsuit. They keep pushing me. You know, the legal system's designed for a reason. I made a criminal complaint and swore under oath that these things are true. I provided 800 pages of evidence that's in a federal lawsuit public. Go arrest the fucking judge. Because if you don't, you're breaking the law. You're committing a third-degree felony. Violation of oath of office. That's what Sheriff Marcos Lopez, all the deputies, the detectives, the state attorney's office, everybody that's involved in the criminal prosecution of this criminal complaint, if they don't go arrest these judges and everybody I've complained about, they are committing a third-degree felony, violation of oath of office, and many more. And they'll be part of the conspiracy, which is also a felony, okay? This is the can of worms I opened, okay, by filing this criminal complaint. And this is what I'm asking for, and I need you guys to share it. Because they're going to try to put me in jail, they're going to try to delete all my social media, and they're going to try to silence me rather than address judges and DCF officers and everybody else. I have proof of all their crimes, okay? The list goes on and on and on. From sworn affidavits under penalty of perjury full of lies that I proved in my federal lawsuit were lies. From Jessica Scott, calling me a drug addict and a groomer and a child abuser and all this crazy stuff, which was blatant lies, defamation, libel. Okay? From when they got a take order and said they couldn't locate me or the children and got an emergency removal of children. And I was sitting in their office and they had the children in the back of their office for 3 hours and the police were sitting there for 3 hours. But they went in front of a judge and committed perjury and lied and said, we don't know where the kids are. We can't contact them. This is the fucking craziness that they've done through the last 2 years. The hiding of the child protection videos from the child protection team. Cheyenne Samars Gilbert. Perjury on the stand that's been proven because I got a video of Detective Suzanne Clochette that was in the forensic interviews with the children. Said yes, the children said mom was twerking naked in front of the children making adult videos. Child abuse, sexual abuse, hello, that's what that is. Whether the police want to call it that or not, that's what that is. Okay, but it all got covered up and swept under the rug. Let's hide those videotapes of the children saying that. Let's get the case coordinator, go up on the stand, commit perjury, say they never said that. But it's too late. I already got the detective on video on YouTube saying the kids did say this to the child forensic team. Okay, there's also an officer and a DCF officer, an Osceola County Sheriff's officer and a DCF officer that were present that are going to be subpoenaed to testify in front of a jury sooner or later. Okay, it's all coming, folks. So if I don't end up dead, because that's the only way they're going to get me, is to silence me. It's what they want to do. They better kill me. Because if you put me in jail, I'll write books, I'll write letters, I will get out, okay, sooner or later, and I will not stop. You will not fucking beat me, my kids, motherfuckers.